This is Bobby from Texas Skid Steer showing you a Gehl 4840 that we have for sale. It has a 60 horsepower diesel engine, has a 1,700 pound operating capacity, has a pretty good set of tires on it, a nice tooth bucket. It's pretty nice machine. I just kind of walk around and let you take a look at it. Has auxiliary hydraulics. We have all the attachments you can see in the background there, you know, your augers and grapple buckets, things like that. Just about anything you need we have. We can arrange shipping for you anywhere in the United States at a very reasonable rate. It's just a pretty clean, good running machine. Has about 2,200 hours on it. Just a pretty good machine for the money. I think you're getting a lot of bang for your buck with this machine. I'm going to have my son demonstrate the machine for you now. Anyway, it's just a good, strong running machine for a reasonable price. We have it along with a lot of other machines that you can look at texasskidsteer.com. Give us a call at 817-668-1018. Remember, we've got all the attachments that you'll need, and we can arrange shipping for you at a very reasonable price. You can look at all of the inventory we have at texasskidsteer.com. Thank y'all very much for watching.